I just finished filling the tank up. I haven't cleaned the glass, and then the inside and the outside need to be clean. But anyway, alright, so all that I gotta do now is turn on my filter and throw this prime in there. This is a very good product. I wish you guys sponsor me. I use so much. Anyway, this little bottle treats 1,000 US gallons. So I put the whole bottle in here for this 220. I'm gonna let it run overnight, and then I'll be ready to put the fish back in the next day. I'm giving this 24 hours. That's all it needs. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe now. Like, share with your friends and family. Hey, I got a lot of tips for you guys. Save money. See, I make this stuff look easy, right? And it should be. So, it's been 24 hours. I just put them in, clean up all this water they splashed. And I forgot to clean the inside of the glass. So I tried to use this magnet. What I got right here, it fell off. This glass is just too thick. I'm gonna have to put a stick in there and push it up so I can pick it up. Anyway, I left some caves like under this slate rock. On the back part, it's a cave. Over here, I put the lizard hide right here. It blends in. And then under here, it's another little cave for the babies. But I literally just put them in, and these Oscars acting like they're starving, so I'm gonna see if they're gonna eat. Cause they was trying to bite some of these floating sticks. I had to take them out. That's that baby Trimac, and that's the Cuban cichlid. See, that Jack Dempsey just came from under the cave. Anyway, let me open this up. 1 second, guys. Well, that's a sign you got healthy fish. Well, Oscars, period, they always hungry. So make sure if you guys get Oscars, don't overfeed the tank. Especially if you got pellets, they'll just crush them up. And hopefully you got smaller fishes that will eat the food that falls to the bottom. So it look like the breeding pair of Jack Dempsey's is going under there. They might claim that, or they might come over here and claim that. Let's see. Alright, so I ran out of worms. I got these dried mealworms. Sprinkle some in there. That's the other Trimac, the first one I had. Yeah, they grow kind of slow, but they get up to 14 inches, some cases 16. Maybe even bigger, because you know the pet store says the Oscar grows to a foot long, but I had Oscars in the past that was 16 inches. I have video of that too. It's in the playlist, Fishes and Tanks, one of the older videos. You might have to scroll down all right to the bottom. That's a lot of videos. And these slate rocks I put in here are bigger than a 5-gallon bucket. I had a video of that too when I put the bucket next to the rock. I'm thinking about getting some eels and some more clown loaches. But anyway, guys, this is the updated 220-gallon aquarium. The water still got to clear up some more, but it's gonna be crystal clear pretty soon. Let's do comparisons. As big as my hand. But yep, I finna I got the I hang on the back filter with some floss in there so I could polish the water. That's a lot of particles and stuff flying around, especially when I scoop the fish out and put them back in the tank. A lot of dirt came with them just from scooping them up trying to catch them. Oh yes, I pulled the tank from the wall so I could paint the back. So the back is painted black. But see, they ate all the food up. Well, there you have it. The updated version. I was trying to take this wood off because I really don't need it on there. These two, the main ones I needed to brace the tank. Yeah, if you guys know, I had to take this tank apart and re-put it together because it's another about 2 inches of glass going this far down. the bottom glass and the top glass meets on this one. So I was gonna take this off so you at least see 1 more inch of glass all the way up. But anyway, y'all see what it is. Simple, right? Like, share, follow. If you don't like it, don't like it. Hit the thumbs down. I don't care. But you gotta be proud of your tanks. If you're not proud of your tanks, you're not doing it right. Maybe you should not be keeping fishes. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and stop it because I'm just gonna keep talking. Check out my playlist though.